Before we check in with Dana, let's check in with you. A hot summer day in Maine calls for finding a way to cool off. For some, like this dog in Reedfield, it's a splash pad. Thanks, Eva, for sharing this video with us. Remember, you can always share your photos and videos using the Near Me section of our News Center Maine app. And Dana, I even saw someone share a video on Twitter of their dog. They had like the bowl of water, can't talk, bowl of water on the deck, and they were taking the water that was dripping off the air conditioner. So it's a dog thing. But they will definitely need water for the rest of the week because it's going to be brutal.
Absolutely. If you don't have a splash pad or a pool like me, you'll definitely be wanting one because it's going to be probably the warmest week of the summer so far, which albeit the bar is pretty low for the summer we've had. But even overnight, we've actually been pretty warm as well. Like, take it right now, it's a little bit past 11 o'clock and it's still 71 degrees here in Portland. Dew point of 63, so a little bit humid, but we're gonna have another warm night. And what are we really looking at for the next couple of days? So we're having a few showers tomorrow in the afternoon, and that's because a cold front is gonna clip northern Maine, and since it's going to be a little bit humid, we can have some afternoon thunderstorms. Hottest week of the season so far, a low bar, but it's still going to be in the upper 80s and possibly hitting 90. And high pressure is going to be our friend for the week. It's actually going to stick around, unlike earlier in the month where they just kind of kept right on going. So visible satellite imagery had some fair weather cumulus clouds earlier today, and as we go into this evening, just some scattered cloud cover. We had some showers and thunderstorms moving through earlier, but once the sun went down, most of those disappeared, and now we just have a couple of showers going through central Maine. Now, high temperatures we got to today, to the low to mid 80s, most people hitting 80s, so it's been a pretty warm day, and it's going to stay that way over the next couple of days. And dew points, especially humid along the coastline, dew points still in the upper 80s. So most places are going to be a bit sticky as we go in the overnight tonight. Forecasted low temperatures only getting into the middle 60s as well. Now, high temperatures tomorrow, most people are going to get into the 80s yet again. It's really going to be later in the week when we start possibly hitting those 90s, especially in inland. Now, in terms of precipitation, as we go into tomorrow, we're going to have a clear start, a bit of fog possible in down east Maine. And then as we get into the humid hours of the day, we could have some showers and thunderstorms popping up, especially along eastern Maine. And then as we head into the overnight, those will eventually kind of start to taper off. And then we'll have some scattered cloud cover through the overnight hours. And then high pressure is really going to settle in for Wednesday and Thursday, and these days are going to be plenty of sunshine, sunscreen recommended. Now, as we get into early Thursday morning, that's when the models have some more showers possible, but we'll take a closer look at that the closer we get to Thursday. So seas at 2 to 3 feet, water at 69 degrees. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, looking to be a warm one. We have a couple of showers possible as we get into tomorrow. Then Wednesday is really going to be high pressure being our friend. And then the humidity is really going to return for Thursday and Friday. That's when it's possible to have temperatures getting into the upper 80s and even 90 some places inland, and then heat indices being even warmer than that. Then as we head into the weekend, that's where we have a front that we're keeping an eye on. The models are competing when and where it's going to come in, but at least for the next couple of days, it's going to be a warm one. So I'm feeling like that dog. I'm going to hit the splash pad if I can find one.
Yeah, definitely feeling like summer.
Absolutely.
Thanks so much, Dana.